December 31st, 1938 was the last day that the Wolseley Sun Helmet was in regulation service in India. On January 1st, 1939, it was supplanted by the Khaki Sola Pith Hat. While the official replacement, the KSPH, was actually nothing new and had been in service at varying levels since the beginning of the century. And today, I will be sharing one with you, as I have found one. This old girl showed up on eBay. I was not actually searching one way or another. It actually just was recommended to me. I guess the eBay gods was like, hey, want to see a helmet that's cool? And it worked because it is here now. So let's get to unboxing it and we will see it in all of its glory. So let's go. Once again, the number 4 bayonet. Right, come on. Oh boy. Oh, it's got the very environmentally friendly peanuts. So we're gonna dump those on the floor and make a big mess. The invoice. Get rid of the invoice. I have to say, that was pretty decently packaged. So you could take a nice impact to the side of the box and it would have been fine. That's a plus. The seller knew what was up. And in case you were wondering, this KSPH came from Britain, and the guy was originally going to send it through the global shipping program. I said, please don't, because otherwise it will get confiscated by eBay's great automated algorithm. All right, so here we go. Last. Number 4 bayonet made it. Success. All right. So here is the Wolseley's successor from 1939. There it is. Look at that. So let's get this box out of the way. So the first thing you'll notice about the Khaki Sola Pith is that it is quite a bit lighter than the Wolseley. Significantly so. Significantly so. Wow. Like a lot. Jeez. That's insane. As you can see on the front here, we have the flash of the Royal Engineers. This flash is slightly sad. Has a little bit of moth damage. The inside is a little sad as well, but otherwise it's in pretty good shape. Now, regrettably with this helmet, it does not have much of its label inside still, so it's really hard to know when it's from or dated, but it could be any period and time. Now there's nothing in there, but normally you have the label and it will have the maker and sometimes a year, sometimes not. But this is pretty damn cool. So we have we have a broken strap here, which is okay. Obviously I knew that going into it. And just like the Wolseley, you'll notice it has the green fabric inside. Let's get the Wolseley. Notice the shape is quite a bit different. Quite a bit different. Now, this actually is made out of a pith, Sola Pith, versus these helmets being made out of felt, cork, etc. This is actually, technically speaking, a pith helmet. So there we have it, the Khaki Sola Pith Hat, the successor of the Wolseley, and a big mess on the floor. So in the near future, there will be a video comparing these two helmets when I get there at some point. So anyway, on that note, thanks for watching everyone, and cheers.
It's the soldiers of the King, my lads, who'll be my lads, who'll sing my lads, in the fight for England's glory, lads, of its worldwide glory, let us sing.